Man.
Oh, look, he's smart. He's going backwards. Is there an 18-wheeler at the lake?
This guy right here is big. He was going to make the right, but he couldn't make it. Those guys got weight, though, eh?
Yeah.
At least they got some weight in the truck, more than you would think.
He's kind of slowly moving. Let's see, Kim.
That's the red van. It's still there.
Yeah, he's still there.
I don't think, see what I was saying to Ren, when you come down the little embankment.
Oh, yeah, because there's,
Now what happens is so much snow,
yeah.
lifts the front of the car and he's got no traction.
Yeah.
We need soul tires.
Don't buy a minivan. Having said that, Donnie's fucked. He can't go home now. Unless he goes out the parkway. Because it goes too low, because the snow hasn't been plowed, it slips in the front of that truck.
Did you buy that shovel from us?
I think so. It looks like one of our shovels. Okay, here comes a truck. He seems alright.
That's a fucking monster. That would do anything.
Fucking Kim is waiting. He'll get stuck in the snow there, just waiting because he.
You might as well just go all the way. I hope my car starts, man.
No, it'll start. It just won't go nowhere. I'm gonna stay at your house tonight.
Yeah?
Oh, we should go to a club or some shit. You made it okay. And action.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah, it's video.
What?
It's gonna be on YouTube. I'll make 100 million.
You want to see a Filipino curse? What the fuck? What are you talking about, Red?
It's on YouTube.
What's on YouTube?
Mark is videoing that. How to, what do you call this?
Okay, so this is the correct way to start a car.
Mexican. Where's your Mexican? How many Filipinos does it take to fucking boost a Saturn?
Oh, what the hell is that? You got it crossed, man.
Do you know how to boost?
Maybe test the wires first before.
That's fine. If you go positive, negative, free, I'll do that. Get it? You're okay.
Oh yeah, it's working.
How many Filipinos does it take to jumpstart a car?
Yeah.
None could
Nothing?
right.
Oh, one more time. It's gonna come. One more time. Come on.
Get her, Alex.
Don't be shy. Jesus.
Yeah, give it like you're giving it to your girl.
Get her, man.
Is it still going?
No.
I didn't know they can make belts.
Oh yeah, they still make belts. Oh yeah, for sure.
Those gates. Gates make seatbelts. If I press on the accelerator, think that'll help?
No. You could turn your car off and nothing will happen.
You want me to give it gas?
No,
right.
It doesn't work.
As long as you charge.
Yeah, you could turn your car off and it would make no difference.
You making contact with those cables?
Yeah, buddy, for sure. Hi, Marcus. How's it going?
Good. Let's get the driver's perspective.
Wait a second. Making it worse. Look at it. It's like no one's fucking up to my foot.
Yeah, not for sure. He's got to make 10 passes. He's got to make 10 passes.
Yeah, I ain't getting out, man. They just camp out here.
Fuck. Okay, he's gone now. Watch, he'll leave. He'll leave after that.
You gotta get that fucking pile right there, that big fucking pile right there.
Oh, man. Here, put my glove on.
Hands are frozen?
Yeah, they're frozen. Okay.
That's good. We still with that shit on. That's a little better. We can probably get over there.
And Steve is stuck over here. For some reason, he chose not to take the path that's clear, but he chose to come this way. Let's investigate why. Here's the path. So, Steve, answer for YouTube why you chose to come this way rather than the path that was clear.
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
I know.
YouTube wants to know. 100 feet, for Christ's sake.
Just gotta go right to there.
Yeah, it's 100 feet over there.
No, just around the car. I just need to get it started.
Ah, fuck. Okay. So now we're gonna dig him out. Okay, let me rock back and forth for YouTube. They like to see that shit. Okay. Okay, let's go.
You guys still open over there?
No.
An hour ago.
Look, the truck is still over there. Did they say international?
Yeah. More than 30 centimeters already.
Oh,
More than 30 centimeters.
okay, so what time? What road am I going on? Tober?
All these jack tanks.
Oh, he just this guy?
Like video shit.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna make cash on this. You wait, watch. Everybody's gonna say, how was
You gotta get
it?
a GoPro, man.
What do you mean GoPro? What's that?
The camera that's mounted over here.
Oh yeah, I would like that. It's like the policeman,
You
eh?
wanna buy mine? I'll tell you mine.
How much is it?
Yeah, that's my brother, but it's a GoPro too, eh?
GoPro 2? What does it run off 24 volts or what?
No, we gotta check it. We're gonna make a left and right over here.
Right here? This
Yeah.
is Walker though.
Yeah.
Okay. That fucking guy.